The RSN has issued a civil danger warning. Do not panic, please stay calm. Over 382 people has gone missing throughout the past 24 hours in LA. The RSN hasn't found the cause of these sudden loss. The RSN has issued a civil danger warning. Do not panic, please stay calm. These sudden losses are expected to be caused by a tall man dressed in black and no facial expressions whatsoever. It is advised you lock your doors and barricade windows until further notice.
"19.2 FM LaRue. We have tracked the mysterious man from a call. We are currently sending NC units to the place he is at right now. Thank you for all the cooperation. God bless."